Okay, I'd like to show you a new one I love. I'll show you the trick and then I'll talk a little bit about it. What I have here are three very small red balls. And we also have three very small metal cups. Now, if you take one of these balls and place it on a cup and go 1, 2, 3, you know it actually penetrates that cup. Now, it's kind of hard to keep track of the first time, so we'll do it again. You can watch a little closer. One ball on the bottom of the cup. There's one, there's two, and there's three, and now there's two balls right there. Now going through one cup is pretty tough. Going through two cups is even tougher. There's one cup, there's two cups, there's the ball. Count of three, 1, 2, 3, and look at that. There's all three balls under one cup. Now you can also do what's known as the long distance move. And for that you put a ball right on this cup, and you go 1, 2, 3, and look, it'll jump all the way over from this side to this side. Again, kind of easy to miss the first time, so we'll try it again. Again, count of three, you go 1, 2, 3, and you guessed it, another ball jumps over. I'll tell you what, we'll do it again, but this time it's going to jump even further because I'm actually going to take the ball and put it in my pocket, but I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to pull it through the material invisibly, and I'm going to drop it. And if it works, yeah, look, it went through one, it went through two, and look, there's all three balls. I'll tell you what, we're going to do it again, and so it's easier for you to keep track of. We're going to use just one ball. We're not even going to use those two balls. And this time, I'm not going to put it under any cups again. Once again, just like before, I'm going to put the ball right in my pocket. And I'm going to pull it out invisibly, and I'm going to drop it. And if it works, yeah, you guessed it. There it went through one, it went through two. Problem is, when it goes through the third one, the thing actually gets 4 times as large. Now, as amazing as that is, it's very hard to do the trick when one of the balls is so much bigger than the cups, or the other ball, I should say. So I'll tell you what, we'll try something a little bit different. We're not even going to use these two. We're just going to use one ball and 3 cups, okay? And this time, I'm not going to do anything confusing like stacking the cups together. I'm going to keep them separated, away from each other. And that way, it's going to be very easy to keep track of. Now, at this point, if I asked you to guess where the ball is, most people guess here. But you know, they're wrong. It's not there, it's actually over here. Now you know the game is a little bit confusing, so we're going to try it again. Once again, if I asked you to guess where the ball is, you'd probably say right there. But you'd be wrong. A lot of people guess there, but you know you'd be wrong again, because it's actually all the way over here. I'll show you how that works. You're not going to believe it. You see, when I put the ball under this shell, when you're not looking, all I do is kick it over to the next cup. So if you weren't looking, you're going to bet there. Of course, you'd be wrong. At this point, if I asked you to guess, you'd bet there. But of course, you'd be wrong again, because actually it's over here. There's only one way you could keep track of this thing for sure, and that would be if we marked it. Now, how can you mark it? Well, I'll tell you what, how about if we mark it with one of the other cups? It can't be here because we marked it. Once again, if I asked you to guess where the P is, or the ball is, I should say, you would guess under these 2 cups. But you know, once again, you would be wrong. Actually, somehow, that ball ends up under the cup that we never went near. Anyway, that is a great new trick. It's called the Mini Cups and Balls. Beautiful metal cups, very small. And as you can see, you can do the classic cups and balls, anything you can do with the cups and balls, but they also work just like the 3 shell game, because the P is a solid but slightly tacky rubber. And just like the 3 shell game, you can steal it or load it very easily. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I can't tell you how beautiful these are. It comes in a beautiful display box, which holds everything nice. It gives you 3 of the load balls if you want. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, guys, and I hope you order it. Okay, have a good day.